In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbol in Excel. Whether you need a check mark, a degree sign, a currency symbol, or a simple arrow, adding symbols can make your spreadsheets clearer and more professional. I'll guide you through the exact path to get them into your cells quickly and reliably. First, make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the symbol to appear. If you want it in a specific cell, click that cell once so it's selected. If you're editing existing text, double-click the cell or click in the formula bar to place the blinking cursor at the right spot. This helps ensure the symbol lands in the right position without disrupting your layout. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. This is the section in Excel where you add elements to your sheet, things like charts, images, and, in our case, symbols. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see all options, expand the window or look for the Insert tab items grouped across the ribbon. On the far right side of the Insert tab, click Symbol. This opens the Symbol dialog box, which is your library of characters that aren't easily typed on a standard keyboard. You'll see a grid of characters, along with options to change the font and filter the list. Don't worry if it looks busy at first. A couple of quick tweaks will make it manageable. Now, choose a symbol. You can scroll through the grid, but it's often faster to pick a font that groups common symbols together. For example, Sagaway UI symbol and Wingdings families offer a wide range of icons, while your default font is great for items like the degree sign, EM dashes, and common currency marks. Use the subset dropdown, if available, to jump to categories like mathematical operators or currency symbols. When you find the symbol you want, click it once to preview, then select Insert. You can insert multiple symbols in a row by clicking Insert again for each one. When you're done, click Close. If the symbol doesn't look right, change the cell's font to match a font that supports that character. You can also adjust the font size to make it more readable. To reuse a symbol later, copy and paste it like normal text, or return to the symbol window and check the recently used symbols list for quick access. And that's it. With Insert, Symbol, and a quick selection, you can add exactly the characters you need to make your data shine.